desert elegance with breathtaking mountain views. Welcome to 61400 Fire Barrel Drive in Trilogy La Quinta. This resort-inspired retreat combines timeless design with the beauty of the Santa Rosa Mountains. Step outside to your own private paradise. Enjoy a Pebble Tech pool and spa, tranquil water feature, and plenty of space for dining or lounging beneath the desert sky. Every detail is designed for relaxation and entertaining. A gated front courtyard sets the tone. Stylish, private, and inviting from the moment you arrive. Inside, the open-concept great room offers seamless flow, a cozy fireplace, and panoramic backyard views that bring the outdoors in. The chef's kitchen features rich cabinetry, quartz countertops, stainless KitchenAid appliances, and a built-in bar, perfect for gatherings with friends and family. The spacious primary suite captures the essence of luxury with pool views and a serene ensuite bath, creating the perfect place to unwind. 61400 Fire Barrel Drive, where refined desert living meets resort-style comfort. I'm John Miller with the John K. Miller Group at Benny and DeVille Homes, your on-site real estate expert at Trilogy La Quinta.